Here I have XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So, in order to block any number on this device, you will firstly have to add it to your contacts list. Unfortunately, for some reason, like let's suppose some number like calls you all the time, annoys you. So what you have to do, you just add add contact, so you can name it whatever you want. Here you enter mobile number which is bothering you, tap OK, then tap on three dots here and select block, and then OK. And after that, this number will be blocked and it will never call you again. The same way you can unblock it, and yeah, now it can call you once again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.